Hello traders, this is D7 with freetradingvideos.com. Glad that you can join us today. We are taking a look at the SPX, which is the S&P 500 or the Standards & Poor 500. This is a 5-minute chart going back one day. And this was yesterday. This was Tuesday. We dropped in the markets 370 points. The S&P dropped right out of the gates and trended down all day. We're talking about day trading here. Day trading. A couple things you need to know about day trading is simply this. You have to have $25,000 here in the U.S., and we're talking U.S. dollars, in your trading account to be able to day trade. If not, a broker can allow to you up to 4 day trades a week on any single week. If you go beyond that, they will give you a warning and then they'll freeze your account. There's a law here that states that if you do not have $25,000 in your account, you cannot be a pattern day trader. You are considered a pattern day trader if you enter a trade today and you exit today. That's considered a day trade. And if you do more than 4 of those in any given week, you're a pattern day trader, and there's repercussions from your broker from that point forward. And many of you guys know that we have a lot of free trading videos on day trading here at our website, and be looking at them. They're fun, very educational, and can make you a lot of money. Now, want to look at the SPX. We did drop, we came down, and then we opened up the day here today. And when you drop 370 points, just know that you're going to end up getting a bounce the next day. And we have a bounce right here taking place. I'm going to draw a couple of trend lines and just show you what I was looking at, because I held short here, and when we started heading up, I went ahead and sold my short positions as we were heading upward. Now I'm going to redraw this trend line up to these swing lows here. Right here, what do we have? We have a rising wedge, which is bearish, and we're starting to roll over right here at the top. So I thought to myself, let's get ready with these short positions and be watching. Look how we did a touch and drop. Now we're coming right back down. Here we couldn't hold the height, so we dropped right back down. We're testing support on the 5-minute chart. We are stepping up here still, but we're stepping down here on the MACD. That's telling me that we have a good chance of dropping. This is our high for the day. We were up 100 and some odd points in the Dow at this moment. So I went ahead and loaded up on this candlestick on my short positions, and then I just followed it down. Here's a low base, breakdown, broke down, another low base, breakdown. Here's a nice bear pullback or a pullback sell. You can find all these in our chart school. Drops. And here is where we're at right now. We're still intraday. We still have a little bit of time left in the markets. So yet another bear pullback. We have a great chance of dropping from this point down through the rest of the day. I think we have another more than an hour or so till the closing of the market. It wouldn't surprise me if we get a drop right here. When we busted up past this trend line right here, I went ahead and liquidated. I got out of 3/4 of all my short positions. I'm still holding 1/4 of all my short positions, that profited the difference here. So anyway, I always watch the SPX and the Dow and NASDAQ looking for market direction. If you can pick the direction right, you got half the battle won in day trading. You have to know, look at the broad markets like the tide in the sea. When the tide's coming in, you have waves that come in and waves that go out. When the tide's leaving, you still have waves that come in, waves that go out. Don't get suckered into the waves that come in and out. What you want to do is understand the tide. If you're going to go surfing, you want to be surfing, in high tide, not when the tide's leaving, low tide. So here the tide's leaving, so I want to be with the tide, so I'm short the market during this time. And now if we get a double bottom, or we start to trend upward here, you see it's dropping already. It doesn't surprise me. We should drop pretty fast right here. And But anyway, just watch the tide of the market, and that's your friend. So anyway, there's that music again, and that's my time that I need to be signing off. Until next time, happy trading to you. And if you have more than $25,000 in your trading account, feel free to do a little day trading. I like a 5-minute chart. You can use a 2-minute chart. You can use a 3-minute chart. You can use a 30-minute chart. Use whatever you want. Happy trading. Talk to you later.